Good morning, students. Today we can see the question paper pattern for the coming exam. In part 1, you will be having the vocabulary part, that is 21 marks you will be writing. In that, 3 synonyms and 3 antonyms, and from the textbook, abbreviations, compound words, prefix or suffix, foreign words or phrases, definition of words, question tags, phrasal verbs, idioms and phrases, modals or semi-modals, preposition, clipped words and alternate words, homophones or confusables, determiners or relative pronoun, syllabification, American English or British English, singular or plural, sentence pattern and tenses. From this, you will be writing 21 marks. And in part 2, you have the poetry and prose questions, that is, appreciation questions. You will be writing 4, and the next is 3 grammar questions out of 5 you will be having. In that, you will have direct or indirect, active or passive, and conditional clauses or inversion, that is, use, if, or begin with, and simple compound complex sentences, conversion or transformation of sentences. And in part 3, you will be having 3 marks questions, that is, from the poem ERC, that is, explain with reference to context. From the poem, you have to give the poet, poem name, and explanation of the given line. And the next one is question number 34 to 36. You will be having prose question and answer. So 2 questions from that and 2 ERC you will be writing. And the next part 3, you will be having 3 more questions. Out of that, from 5 questions you have to write 3 question answers. In that, you will be having verbal or non-verbal and dialogue writing, describing a process, that is preparation and completion of proverbs or match the meaning, notice writing, article writing, expansion of headlines, email writing, and rearrange the scrambled word, framing questions. So out of this, you will be writing 3 answers, and for that you will be having 9 marks. And in part 4, that is 5 marks question, you will be having 7. Each one you will be having either or pattern. The first will be having the paragraph question from prose and paragraph from poem, and the supplementary reader paragraph, that is, you are going to write as a hints developing. And the next one is note making or biography or writing a report or summary writing. And the next one is letter writing, that is personal or impersonal, formal or informal, and essay writing, general paragraph and narrative. And in the next one, concord or spot the errors, that is, fill in the blanks, and in that you will be having tenses, link words, prepositions, modals, etc. And the last one is semantic field, that is related field, and poem comprehension or passage comprehension. In that you have to answer 5 questions, and each one of the questions will carry 5 marks. and you'll be completing 7 questions and 35 marks. In this pattern is for 90 marks, but in the coming offerly you will be writing for 100 marks. The questions added are in the grammar part, out of 6 you have to answer 5 questions, that is 2 questions will be given extra, and in the prose question and answer 2 questions will be given extra. So you are going to write 4 question answer for the prose. So 10 marks was added for this test, and in the public you will be writing for 90 marks. So prepare well for the exam. All the best. Thank you.